Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smooth sorbet. Achieving that perfect, silky texture is easier than you might think with a few key techniques. We'll cover the importance of sugar, the role of a little alcohol, and the critical temperature of your base mixture. Get ready to transform simple fruit into a delightful, icy treat that will impress everyone. Let's dive into the secrets of sorbet perfection. The balance of sugar and liquid is fundamental to a smooth sorbet. Sugar acts as an antifreeze, lowering the freezing point and preventing large ice crystals from forming. Creating a simple syrup first ensures the sugar is fully dissolved, leading to a more uniform texture. For many fruit purees, a ratio of 1 part sugar to 2 parts liquid works wonderfully, providing that ideal sweetness and consistency. Proper churning is vital for incorporating air and breaking up ice crystals. Churn your sorbet in a pre-chilled ice cream maker until it reaches a soft serve consistency, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. To further enhance smoothness, consider adding a tablespoon of corn syrup or glucose to your base. A small splash, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, of a neutral spirit like vodka can also significantly improve the final texture, keeping it scoopable. Once churned, quickly transfer your sorbet to an airtight container to prevent freezer burn and maintain its smooth texture. Freeze it for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to fully firm up. Before serving, let your sorbet sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This brief softening period makes it much easier to scoop and enhances its delightful, melt-in-your-mouth consistency. Enjoy your perfectly smooth homemade sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.